Hello students, a very good morning to you all. Myself, Varnit Sharma, welcoming to you all in my class. Today I will teach you about rational numbers. Before starting the class, I would like to ask from you that what are natural number? Could anyone tell me that what a natural number is? Yes, natural numbers are those numbers which we use to count, right? Basically, we can say all counting numbers are known as natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now, if I ask from you that what are whole numbers, could anyone tell me? Yes, whole numbers are those numbers that include zero, right? All counting numbers, including zero, are known as whole number. Now the question arises in a student's mind. Sir, what is the difference between natural number and a whole number? The basic difference between a natural number and a whole number is what? Is that the zero? Now, what we have to read that are integers. All counting numbers with positive and negative sign, including zero, are known as integer, right? For example, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. Now, could you anyone guess that what a rational number is? Yes, a number that can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and the value of Q is not equals to 0. It includes natural number, whole number, and integers. For example, that like 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 4 upon 3, 5 upon 7, and so on. Now we will study about what are the properties of rational numbers. First is the closure property, second is the commutative property, third is the associative property, fourth is the additive identity, and the last one is the additive inverse. So that's it about today's class. We will learn more in deep in the next class. Thank you.